What's up, everyone? My name is Sulaiman, and today I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin and the crazy crash that happened today. So let's get right into it. So for the past 2 days, for the first time in like 3 months, Bitcoin closed over $50,000, and then today a crazy crash just happened where it dipped all the way down to like $43,000. So I tried to do some research on finding some reasons on why this could happen, but there is like literally no news on why this could be happening. Today was supposed to be like the first day where El Salvador adopted Bitcoin as their legal tender, and that just doesn't make any sense on why Bitcoin would be dropping. Alright, so I have this Bitcoin chart opened up on coinmarketcap.com, and as you can see here, yesterday we closed at around 52,600, and today we just dipped all the way down to 43,000. Now, like again, I said, I tried looking for some reasons on why this could be happening. You can see here, I googled Bitcoin flash crash, and it just says that the only thing I can see is that El Salvador adopts it as legal tender, which doesn't really make any sense on why it would be tanking, because obviously El Salvador is going to be buying it up, but the opposite ends up happening. So Bitcoin is down like what, 9% right now. It has actually bounced back. So it dropped all the way down to 43,000, and right now it's at 47,000. Let's take a look at some other cryptos and see what everything else is doing. I mean, obviously they're going to follow Bitcoin since that's the main one, but you see Ethereum is down like 12% now, but it did drop all the way down to 3,000. So that's like a 25% drop from yesterday basically. Ethereum was about to hit $4,000, and you can see here that it went all the way down to $3,000. I mean, this is actually supposed to be a really good time to buy the dip, as people always say, but the biggest problem right now with the exchanges is you're not able to place your orders. I mean, I tried placing an order on Coinbase, and my order was not filled. There's issues on all of the other exchanges, I'm pretty sure. I googled it, and other people were not able to get their trades filled either. So this is just a very weird event that's happening with the crypto market right now. A couple of days ago, the crypto market total was like $2.4 trillion, and right now we're at 2.08. I mean, we have recovered, so I'm pretty sure that was below $2 trillion before. So another thing that could possibly be the reason for why Bitcoin had a major drop was apparently leveraged longs liquidated their Bitcoin. So I can see some tweets here that it says $1.1 billion of leverage long were liquidated in like the last hour, this was tweeted 4 hours ago, so this makes perfect sense. Alright, so today is a really interesting day for the crypto market. I mean, it's going to be really interesting seeing what's going to happen going forward from here. Is the crypto market going to continue on tanking, or will it recover? I mean, so far we've already been bought up. All the coins that I'm seeing have been bought up from their lows. There was a really nice bounce. We'll see what happens going forward. This might be a good time to buy this dip, and you can get a really good opportunity discount for these cryptos right now. Alright guys, if you like the content that I post, make sure to hit the like button down below. Subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be posting videos like this all the time, and comment down below on what you think is the reason for why Bitcoin or all the other cryptos crashed today. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you next time.